Alright, so I've got the air box lid back on. Make sure it's on evenly. There's no gaps in there anywhere. I'm sure there isn't. And just a note about the servicing interval. This is my Gen 1 Busa service manual. I can't see the interval being different for the Gen 2. It states inspect every 6,000 kilometers, replace every 18,000 kilometers. And K&N claims, what does it say here? Up to 120,000 kilometers between cleanings. I probably wouldn't run it that long, but definitely inspect it according to the service manual requirements as stated. Another performance enhancement for my Gen 2 Busa. I've got the 4-into-1 Yoshimura R77 exhaust carbon fiber canister. It's got stainless steel headers. And I believe the weight reduction was something like 36 pounds. Sounds a lot better, lighter, and increases variable horsepower to somewhere around 180. So this thing has torque. Thanks for watching.